To create a faceless YouTube channel, the ChatGPT and Pictory would convert my script into the video. I no need to spend hours to think about my story. So let's dive in quickly. I would give the instructions to the ChatGPT that tell us about the five different destinations for the traveling, or I can write it the 5 different places to travel. So here the ChatGPT is giving me the safest places to travel in the world. I can customize my instructions by giving the more precise information which I am trying to derive. So let's see what more options I will get. It's cool. I no need to think about different places and explore. It's already ready for me. I would appreciate for it. Now I will choose the destination about which I want to get the information. Let's suppose I'm liking that I want to get the more information about New Zealand. So here I would precise my instructions and would say that write a 5-minute video script for a YouTube channel. And I would copy and paste that transition of a New Zealand which I am trying to get. So I would paste it over here. In this way you can get the more information. Look, the ChatGPT is extracting and making the story for me, and I am resting. I no need to get worried about it. So my story is being generated and they are creating it step by step with scenes. You can see it. Oh, cool. So I have a sufficient content to build a 5-minute video, and even they have given the closing statement. Now I would copy all this story and paste it in the Word, where I can do the editing as per my desired information. Let's go back quickly and paste it in the Word. I can do the spell check and do the editing as per my own, and can change the different scenes. Now I will go to the Pictory. It's a free tool, you no need to pay anything for it, and can generate the video. I will go to the Get Started and will do the sign up with the Google. It's so easy, and look, I have the different options like script to video, article to video, edit to text, and visual video. Now we can upgrade and create the team. At first I will go to proceed at the first option, and I will remove this and will paste my all text over here. Now I would press the button proceed and see they have given me the different templates for my story. I will select the one which I like. For instance, for the travel, I like this one. Let me explore more. I believe this is the right. And now it has started generating my video. It would take some time, and see, it has generated the story with the scenes, and these are the different scenes below, scene 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I would preview it. In preview it will take some time, and see, the story is ready. Wow, you can edit it. I have just created it to show you. All the text is written. If you want to do it a fast forward, you can see it. Let me show you, and can change the audio. If you really like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching the video.